Hello, foodies and adventure seekers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate destination for exploring the world's most exciting cuisines. If you're passionate about discovering new flavors, learning about different cultures, and experiencing the diversity of global festivals, you're in for a treat today. Make sure to subscribe and join us on this exciting culinary journey. As we dive into the holiday season, we can't help but think about the unique dishes that make each celebration extra special. From the cozy comforts of Christmas to the vibrant festivities of Diwali and everything in between. Each holiday brings with it flavors that are rich in tradition and full of symbolism. Let's take a journey around the world and discover the most unique festive foods you need to try. 1. Christmas in Iceland, a festive feast of tradition and flavor. Iceland may be known for its stunning natural beauty, but during the Christmas season, it's the food that takes center stage. The holiday season in Iceland is marked by unique culinary traditions that date back centuries, mixing local ingredients with a touch of holiday magic. In Iceland, Christmas is celebrated with hearty, comforting dishes that warm the soul during the long, dark winter days. Key dishes in a traditional Icelandic Christmas. Hanjajut, smoked lamb. A beloved Christmas dish in Iceland, hanjajut is smoked lamb. Traditionally served with boiled potatoes, peas, and brown gravy. The lamb is often cured and smoked over birchwood, giving it a distinct savory flavor that makes it a must-have for Icelandic Christmas celebrations. Laufabrauð leaf bread. This thin, fried flatbread is a staple of Icelandic Christmas feasts. The bread is intricately cut into delicate leaf shapes, then fried until crispy. It's often served alongside lamb or other holiday dishes, adding a crunchy texture and a festive look to the meal. Christmas cake. This is a traditional Icelandic Christmas cake, typically made with spices, like cinnamon and cloves, and often topped with sugar. It's a perfect sweet ending to the Christmas meal, often enjoyed with a cup of hot cocoa or coffee. Icelandic rye bread. This dense, dark rye bread is a traditional part of Icelandic Christmas dinners. It's often served with butter, cheese, or smoked fish, adding a hearty element to the festive spread. Cultural significance. In Iceland, Christmas food is all about tradition, comfort, and the warmth of family. These dishes, especially hanjajut, are deeply rooted in the country's history, providing a taste of Iceland's cultural heritage during the most special time of the year. 2. Hanukkah in Greece, a celebration of light and flavor. Hanukkah, also known as the Festival of Lights, is celebrated by Jewish communities around the world, and in Greece. This holiday is marked by a unique blend of tradition, spices, and sweets. The Greek version of Hanukkah is celebrated with much fanfare, and food plays an essential role in the festivities. The holiday is associated with fried foods to symbolize the miracle of the oil that lasted for 8 days in the temple. Key dishes for Greek Hanukkah. Laukumades honey donuts. These small, deep-fried donuts are a staple during Greek Hanukkah celebrations. Laukumades are drizzled with honey and cinnamon, creating a sweet and sticky treat that symbolizes the sweetness of life. These donuts are light, crispy on the outside, and soft on the inside, making them irresistible. Sefgania jelly donuts. Although common across the Jewish world during Hanukkah, Sefgania in Greece is often filled with jam, typically strawberry or raspberry, and sprinkled with powdered sugar. These donuts are not just a treat. They represent the miracle of the oil during the festival. Keftides fried meatballs. Greek meatballs, known as keftides, are often served during Hanukkah. They are typically made from ground beef or lamb, mixed with herbs and spices, and deep-fried to perfection. They're often accompanied by tzatziki, a refreshing yogurt sauce. Spinach pie, spanakopita. While not specifically a Hanukkah dish, spanakopita is often enjoyed during the holiday season. This savory pastry is filled with spinach and feta cheese wrapped in crispy phyllo dough, offering a delightful balance of savory and flaky textures. Cultural significance. Greek Hanukkah foods are rich in flavor, spice, and symbolism, with each dish representing hope and celebration. The act of frying food during Hanukkah recalls the miracle of the oil, and sharing these foods with family and friends reinforces the themes of family and community. 3. Lunar New Year in Vietnam, a feast for good fortune. Lunar New Year Tit in Vietnam is the most important celebration of the year, and the food served during this time is both festive and full of meaning. Tit marks the beginning of the lunar calendar and is celebrated with a range of foods designed to bring good fortune, health, and prosperity for the year ahead. The food is also a symbol of family unity, with many dishes meant to be shared with loved ones. Key dishes during Vietnamese Lunar New Year. Chang square rice cake. This traditional Vietnamese cake is made from glutinous rice, mung beans, and pork. It's wrapped in banana leaves and boiled for hours to achieve a dense, savory cake. The square shape of Chang symbolizes the earth, reflecting the deep connection between the people and nature. Similar to CHNG is a cylindrical rice cake filled with mung beans and pork. It is traditionally eaten during TGT and symbolizes family unity and good health. Pickled onions. These tangy, sweet pickled onions are often served as a side dish during TGT. They balance the rich flavors of the main dishes and are believed to cleanse the palate and promote longevity. Tauco hot vide braised pork with eggs. This dish features pork belly, braised with hard-boiled eggs in a mixture of coconut juice, sugar, and fish sauce. It's a savory sweet dish that's believed to bring good luck and prosperity to the household. Cultural significance. Food during TGT is not only about nourishment, but also about symbolizing good fortune, family bonding, and a prosperous future. Each dish is thoughtfully prepared to represent a wish for a fresh start in the new year. For Thanksgiving in Canada. A harvest feast of gratitude. Thanksgiving in Canada takes place on the second Monday of October, just before the weather turns cold and the leaves start to change color. The holiday is centered around celebrating the harvest and giving thanks for the year's bounty. The Canadian Thanksgiving meal is much like the American version, but with its own regional twists, particularly when it comes to the choice of side dishes. Key dishes in Canadian Thanksgiving. Roast turkey. As in the United States, roast turkey is a centerpiece of the Canadian Thanksgiving feast. The turkey is typically stuffed with bread, herbs, and sometimes cranberries, and served with gravy and mashed potatoes. Pumpkin soup. A smooth and velvety pumpkin soup made with roasted pumpkin cream and spices such as nutmeg and cinnamon. This comforting dish is a perfect way to kick off the Thanksgiving meal, offering the warmth and richness of fall flavors. Poutine. Although not a traditional Thanksgiving dish, poutine is a beloved comfort food in Canada, particularly in Quebec. It consists of French fries topped with cheese curds and covered in gravy. Some Thanksgiving meals in Canada feature poutine as a side dish, giving a uniquely Canadian twist to the holiday. Butter tarts. The quintessential Canadian dessert, butter tarts are made from a sticky, sugary filling of butter, sugar, and eggs, baked into a flaky pastry shell. Often filled with pecans or raisins, they're a sweet and indulgent way to end the meal. Cultural significance. Thanksgiving in Canada celebrates gratitude, family, and the abundance of the harvest. The food served is a reminder of the country's connection to nature and the importance of giving thanks for the bounty of the season. 5. Midsummer in Finland, a celebration of summer's bounty. In Finland, midsummer is one of the most eagerly awaited holidays of the year. It marks the summer solstice, when the days are the longest and the sun barely sets. Midsummer is a time to enjoy the beauty of nature, relax with friends and family, and feast on foods that celebrate the fresh, seasonal ingredients of summer. Key dishes in Finnish midsummer. Grilled sausages makora. One of the most popular foods during midsummer celebrations is grilled sausages. These sausages are cooked over an open flame and often served with mustard, potato salad, and pickled vegetables. New potatoes with dill. Freshly harvested new potatoes are a staple of Finnish midsummer meals. They are boiled and served with dill and butter, offering a simple yet delicious way to enjoy the flavors of summer. Fresh fish. Finland's lakes are abundant with fish, and during midsummer, grilled perch or smoked salmon is often served as part of the celebration. Fish is a central part of the Finnish diet, and its freshness makes it a perfect addition to the midsummer feast. Strawberry soup. Finland's midsummer meal often includes a refreshing strawberry soup, made with fresh strawberries, sugar, and cream. It's a light, sweet dish that celebrates the abundance of summer fruits. Cultural significance. Finnish midsummer is all about celebrating nature, fresh ingredients, and togetherness. The food reflects the simple pleasures of summer and the deep connection between Finnish people and the land. The world celebrates through food. Whether it's the hearty meals of Thanksgiving in Canada, the festive sweets of Diwali in India, or the fresh summer foods of midsummer in Finland, every holiday offers a unique culinary experience. These dishes do more than just fill our bellies. They bring us together, connect us to tradition, and remind us of the importance of family, gratitude, and celebration. Which festive dish would you like to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food adventures from Global Eats Uncovered.